What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with another fresh one. In today's video, I have a high fade. We're not touching the top. All detachable blade haircut tutorial using my Oster Octane, my favorite. All right, listen up. If you're new to the channel, this is the time you subscribe. Also, I have a big announcement to make. I have a clipper review coming up sometime early next week. I'm going to be doing, I think, the Oster 76. Oster cordless 76 may be a flop in comparison to the Octane. So I'm getting enough experience with this clipper, so I will give you guys a top to bottom review. Once again, this is the Barber Illuminati. Let's go! All right, I'm going to adjust my camera quickly. This is my last haircut of the day. My wife is calling. Uh-oh, that's not my wife, that's my brother. Shout out to Cuss. Hey, Cuss, I know you in Puerto Rico. I'm recording a video. You calling me right now. Bad timing. I was in emotion. You called me at the perfect time, but I had to call you back. All right, shout out to Cuss. Shout out to Cuss in this video from Custom Made Barber School in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? Okay, I'll give you a call back. All right, the show must go on. Now, if you're new to this channel, it's full of fire. This is the all detachable blade haircut factory. This is the time you subscribe. All right, this haircut is going to be fast and effective. Boom. All right, I'm gonna adjust this camera right quick, then I'm just gonna go for it. This video is being recorded at Marvelous Barber School LLC in Waukegan, Illinois. We are not hard to find. I forgot to put on my gloves. Yes, I'm gonna keep talking to keep you guys engaged, but the Oster 76s, cordless 76s, may be a flop. I don't want to say too much, but I'm gonna give you guys, early next week, I'm gonna give you guys a full review about the Oster 76. And I have to be honest with you, this clip is nowhere near the Oster Octane. It's nowhere near. It's like on a scale from 1 to 10. The Octane is about 10. The 76 is about 2.5. And I'm being generous. All right, let's go. And I'm being very nice right now. All right, like I said, we're gonna do a medium high ball fade actually. We're not gonna touch the top with front lining. We'll just wrap this up. Also, as you already know my style, this haircut tutorial will not be edited. Whatever way I do the haircut is the way I will post it. You know my style, yada yada yada. Let's get to it. Yeah, a lot of people had high hope, high expectation on the Oster cordless 76s, and I'll have to say this clipper is a total disappointment. And I don't want to say too much, so I'm going to be doing a full review next week. However, this clipper been disappointing me ever since I got it. I'm going to be selling it for that cheap. I'm going to put it on Facebook Marketplace, and whatever anybody offered to me, I'll take it. However, how can the company that made the best cordless detachable, the best cordless all detachable blade clipper in the world, the best of the best, make the worst of the worst? I don't understand this. But hey, as the Barber Illuminati, it's my responsibility to share with you guys my honest experience and opinion. Boom. This part of the haircut don't need any explanation. So no one needs to explain that. I'm just gonna go through the steps. When we get to the part that I need to explain, I will go through it. By the way, Barber Illuminati products coming soon. It's all in the making. Barber Illuminati after shaves, Barber Illuminati styling gel, Barber Illuminati products and combs and brushes, shave gel, you name it. Coming soon. For those of you guys who want to support me, my website is under construction. So real soon, no matter months from now, I will be telling you guys where to find my products. The channel is growing, I'm excited. I appreciate all the fans, all the viewers who've been supporting me all this time. I've been a YouTuber since 2017. This is my year number 5. Oh man, I should be about 1 million subscribers right now. Unfortunately, that's not the case. It's okay. But fortunately for me, the channel is growing every day. You know, it's part of it is my fault. Even though I post a lot of videos, I have over 200 videos online. However, I'm not active enough. I've been on and off with it. All right, YouTube. I'm getting ready to create my first guideline with the OA Indies on the Oster Octane. My first guideline is basically simple. It's created with the OA. Within the OA, I do 00050. And if needed, I put my outliner below the line, actually above the shaver, you know, in between the 2 sections, and that's it. Then I move on to the second guideline. All right, let's go. OA, let's go. This is the All Detachable Blade Factory. I'm not going to change the name of the channel, but I like to say that. The All Detachable Blade Factory. This is the go-to channel for all detachable blade haircut tutorial. And I'm the guy that's responsible for making all detachable blade haircuts popular. Even though I don't get the credit I deserve, it's okay. In time, all roads lead to the Barber Illuminati. All right, 000 into the OA. Five zero into the 000. Boom. All right. I'm going to do a little bit of an outliner. It's not that much necessary, but out of habit, I'm going to do it anyway. So, all right, I'm going to move on to the second guideline with the blade number 2. I'm going with it, then I go against it, then I move on to the 1.5. This is my number 2 with it. I'm just breaking down the bolt, really. This is number 2 still. Number 2. One and a half coming up. I'm going to use the 1.5 about the same, in the same manner I use the number 2. One and a half flipped over at an angle into the 2. 1/8 into the 1.5. The 1 into the 1/8. The 0.8 into the 1, 0.8 into the 1. Boom. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and repeat some of the steps, starting with the 1.5 quickly to make the blend a little smoother. We finish up the lining, done. After that, we're going home. This is the last haircut of the day. I'm excited. YouTube is excited. My client here is excited. I'm telling you, the whole Lake County is excited. They're wondering, who is Lake County? What is Lake County? I mean, my viewers mostly all over the world, really. I got people from all over Italy, Nigeria, Mexico, UK, you name it, Egypt, you name it. I can go on and on and on. I got people from over 50 countries watching this channel. China, South Korea, North Korea, you name it. This is incredible. Yep. This is a worldwide phenomenon. Okay. I just put down the 1.5. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the steps with the 1/8, the whole shebang. And I'm gonna move on to the lining. Like I said, I got the 1/8 on. 1/8 fitting into the 1.5. The 1. Into the 1/8. And lastly, we're going to the 0.8. Just a dust of it. Then we're going to move on to the lining. After that, I'm going home. I'm surprised my wife ain't called yet. Maybe she's probably asleep or something. Oh yeah. I'm supposed to be on my way home by 5 o'clock. It's approaching 6. I'm still here. Alright, this is the 0.8 into the 1, lastly. This is the very last step for the blend. Boom. Alright. I'm gonna zoom back a little. Do the lining quickly. And we're gonna get out of here. As you already know my style, the Barber Illuminati style is simple. I do not edit the videos, so I only record half off camera and half on camera. That's it. Very simple. I've been recording like this for years now. If you're new to the channel, that might be news to you. But this is how I do it. All right, YouTube, this is the cut. I'm gonna wet the hair a little bit for beautification purposes. And then I'm gonna do a quick spin, and then we're gonna get out of here. All right. Bingo. So, all right, YouTube, this is the cut. High fade using the Oster Octane and this blade. I'm going to do a quick spin for you guys to see the entire work. I keep saying I'm going home. I don't have to go home. The rent here is way more than my house rent. But the rent that I pay in here, I can afford a mansion. I'm telling you. All right, YouTube, there you have it. You are officially watching the All Detachable Blade Haircut Factory. If you watched the video all the way this far, you really are a true fan. I'm on TikTok under Marvelous Barber School. And also I'm on Instagram under Barber Illuminati. We out.